Hello guys, today I'm showing you my 5 herbs growing in my herb garden in container, herb garden in pot. So this is mint, and this is rosemary. It's very good for roasting. And this is lemon verbena, limoncello. That is smells nice. Lemon verbena. You can use it in tea. It's very nice. And this is another mint. This is sage. It's very velvety. It's and the smell is so nice. If you rub it with your fingers, it smells so nice. And the other one is basil. So I got 5 herbs growing in this container. So it is very convenient to have fresh herbs growing outside the garden, outside the kitchen garden. So when you cook, there's fresh herbs available to you.